Farmer continues their agitation at the Delhi borders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in his home constituency Varanasi, defended the new farm laws, listing out the benefits of the farm laws here. The Prime Minister explained that the farmer bills will benefit all farmers and will give them legal protection while freeing them from middlemen. The Prime Minister also took on the opposition and accused them of spreading lies to confuse the farming community. The Prime Minister said that previous governments have always treated agrarian sector as a vote bank and have always duped the farmers.
अगर किसान को कोई ऐसा खरीदार मिल जाए जो सीधा खेत से उपज उठाए, जो ट्रांसपोर्ट से लेकर लॉजिस्टिक के हर प्रबंध करे और बेहतर कीमत दे, तो क्या किसान को अपनी उपज उसे बेचने की आजादी मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? भारत के कृषि उत्पाद पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है। क्या किसान की इस बड़े मार्केट और ज्यादा दाम तक किसान की पहुंच होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए? सफल प्रकल्प ही काफी नहीं होते। इसके साथ साथ किसानों को उस बड़े और व्यापक मार्केट का लाभ भी मिलना चाहिए जो हमारा देश दुनिया के बड़े बाजार हमारे किसानों को उपलब्ध कराते हैं। इसलिए विकल्प के माध्यम से किसानों को सशक्त करने का रास्ता अपनाया गया है। किसान हित में किए गए कृषि सुधार ऐसे ही विकल्प किसान को देते हैं। बीते कुछ समय से हम एक नया ट्रेंड देख रहे हैं। हम अब देख रहे हैं कि अब विरोध का आधार फैसला नहीं, बल्कि भ्रम फैलाकर, आशंकाएं फैलाकर, फिर तो भविष्य में ऐसा होगा, फिर तो भविष्य में ऐसा होगा, अब तो ये होने वाला है, उसको आधार बनाया जा रहा है। अपप्रचार किया जाता है कि भाई फैसला तो ठीक है, लेकिन पता नहीं इससे आगे चलकर क्या क्या होगा, और फिर कहते हैं ऐसा होगा। जो अभी हुआ ही नहीं है, जो कभी होगा ही नहीं, उसको लेकर समाज में भ्रम फैलाया जाता है। ऐतिहासिक कृषि सुधारों के मामले में भी जानबूझकर यही खेल खेला जा रहा है। हमें याद रखना है, ये वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने दशकों तक किसानों के साथ लगातार छल किया है। अब जैसे एमएसपी तो घोषित होता था, लेकिन एमएसपी पर खरीद बहुत कम की जाती थी। घोषणाएं होती थी, खरीद नहीं होती थी। सालों तक एमएसपी को लेकर छल किया गया। किसानों के नाम पर बड़े बड़े कर्ज माफी के पैकेज घोषित किए जाते थे, लेकिन छोटे और सीमांत किसानों तक ये पहुंचते ही नहीं थे। यानी कर्ज माफी को लेकर भी छल किया गया। किसानों के नाम पर बड़ी बड़ी योजनाएं घोषित होती थी, लेकिन वो खुद मानते थे कि 1 रुपये में से सिर्फ 15 पैसे ही किसान तक पहुंचते हैं। यानी योजनाओं के नाम पर छल। अगर कोई पुराने सिस्टम से ही लेन देन को ठीक समझता है तो उस पर भी इस कानून में कहां कोई रोक लगाई है भाई। साथियों, नए कृषि सुधारों से किसानों को नए विकल्प और नए कानूनी संरक्षण ही तो दिए गए हैं।
We're cutting across to Abhishek Mishra reporting live from Varanasi. Abhishek, here the Prime Minister takes the stage and the opportunity to address the farm laws and the protests behind it. He accuses the opposition there of instigating and spreading lies and misinformation to farmers, which has resulted in the protests. Farmers are not able to understand, the Prime Minister says, the kind of benefits the new laws would provide ultimately, allowing them to sell their produce to anyone at any price and even be legally protected. Take us through furthermore the Prime Minister's speech as he spoke in Varanasi.
Well, absolutely, Navila. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he was here in Varanasi, and you have just heard, he has actually made it very clear to the opposition and also for the people in general who are, he said that, the opposition is trying to take the advantage of it and they are trying to mislead the people. And he has openly clarified it. He has openly said that the new law is not against the farmers. It is actually benefiting them. He also tried to come up with the examples and letting them know about the benefits of a new law. And also today when he was here in the Varanasi, he actually took this opportunity to convey his message across the nation, to let them know about it, that why is it required to have this law and how it is going to directly benefit the farmers. So that was the primary focus of his speech. And also he related his speech with the kind of work which is underway in Uttar Pradesh and also has been completed. For example, the actual event, the 73-kilometer, 2,447 crore investment of the 6-lane extension work. He primarily talked about it, that's how it's going to benefit the mandis, the fruit seller, the common and the local farmers, and how they can actually take the advantage of such infrastructure. So certainly has answered a lot of questions, with the opposition is constantly, asking the government, and also at the same time the kind of movement we are seeing, and the farmers who are right now protesting and they are trying to reach to the Delhi. Certainly has answered all those questions and he has made it very clear that the law is actually to benefit the farmers, and there is no doubt of the fact with the kind of the provisions are there, and of course the intention of the government to benefit the farmers directly through this law. Yes.
Right. That's what Prime Minister says here. Even as the Prime Minister speaks, farmers in thousands, close to 1.5 lakh farmers across 4 border areas leading towards Delhi are still sitting in protest. Any word that you have picked up or any talk on a dialogue with these farmers from any of those government officials? Any sense that you've got from there?
Well, absolutely, Navila. We are here in Varanasi from last couple of days, and yesterday when we came here and we went to the village Khajuri, where this actual event has happened right now, and we spoke to the farmers, we spoke to the local residents of the village, and they all were very content with the fact what kind of work has been done by the Modi government in the past 5 years. And they also expect a lot from the government. They say that eventually whatever infrastructure development which has happened in Uttar Pradesh specifically has actually benefited them. And they really look forward to the government's upcoming projects. And certainly, the major lacking, the major problem for this state for the development has always been the infrastructure development, and that has the major agenda for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he's actually made it clear through his speech. So that kind of sense we have picked from the ground, that the farmers, the local villagers, they really has actually said that they did get benefited by these
those are
schemes.
farmers who are probably happy one protesting. There are farmers who are protesting in abundance. Will there be a dialogue? That remains to be seen. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details on that. Now, on his 7-hour-long visit in Varanasi, Prime Minister Modi there unveiled a slew of developmental projects. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated 6-lane highway that connects the Raja Talab in Varanasi to Handia in Pragyaraj. In fact, the 73-kilometer highway built at the cost of rupees 2,447 crore rupees will reduce the travel time between two cities by an hour. At the inauguration event, Prime Minister said Uttar Pradesh will soon now be known as Express Pradesh. Later in the day, Prime Minister will be participating in the Dev Deepavali celebrations, for which he will visit the Rajghat, where 11 lakh diyas will be lit. Prime Minister is also scheduled to visit the under-construction Kashi Vishwanath Temple Corridor project site. He will then undertake boat travel along the Ganga Ghats. A laser show also that's been scheduled there at the Chet Singh Ghat, which the primary is scheduled to attend.
यहां से गुजरने वाला हाईवे 4 लेन का था। आज बाबा विश्वनाथ के आशीर्वाद से ये हाईवे 6 लेन का हो चुका है। 70 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा का ये वो सफर अब आराम से होगा, तेज रफ्तार में होगा। इस हाईवे के चौड़ा होने से काशी और प्रयाग के बीच का आना जाना अब और आसान हो गया है। कांवड़ यात्रा के दौरान कांवड़ियों को और इस क्षेत्र के लोगों को जो परेशानी होती थी, अब वो भी समाप्त हो जाएगी। उत्तर प्रदेश की पहचान एक्सप्रेस प्रदेश के रूप में सशक्त हो रही है। यूपी में कनेक्टिविटी के हजारों करोड़ के 5 मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स पर एक साथ काम चल रहा है। आज पूर्वांचल हो, बुंदेलखंड हो, पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश हो, हर कोने को एक्सप्रेस वे से जोड़ा जा रहा है। देश के 2 बड़े और आधुनिक डिफेंस कॉरिडोर में से एक हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में ही बन रहा है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.